Hi everyone, in this video we're going to take in-depth look on ET2290M Portable Karaoke. Overview. Karaoke buttons. Power button. Volume up or next button. Pause and play button. Volume down or previous button. Bluetooth button. Microphone buttons. Power button. Volume up and increase echo. Volume down and decrease echo. Effects button. Charging your wireless mics. Charge your microphones by inserting them into the charging slots. Red light indicator will start to blink, which means the microphones are charging. After 3 hours, your microphones will be fully charged, red light indicator will turn off, and ready for loads of karaoke fun. Charging your portable karaoke. Plug the included USB-C cable into the karaoke's charging port, and connect the other end of the cable to a power adapter, sold separately. Allow approximately 3.5 hours to fully charge the battery, red light indicator will turn off. Initial setup. Once your karaoke and wireless microphones are fully charged, press and hold the power button until you hear a prompt indicating the device has entered Bluetooth pairing mode. On your smartphone or tablet, search for the Bluetooth device named onn Portable Karaoke and tap to connect. A prompt will play once pairing is successful. Karaoke mode. USB mode. This device features USB mode, which allows you to play preloaded music from a USB drive, sold separately. Insert your USB drive, and the device will automatically switch to USB mode. LED lights. This device features 6 different LED light effects. Press the power button once to cycle through all 6 LED light effects. Voice changing effects. This device offers a unique experience with 8 voice changing effects. Press the effects button on your wireless microphone to access and cycle through these effects. Karaoke light status. Microphone light status. Troubleshooting. Specifications. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.